Okay.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
But I'm going to lay this out about as clear as possible how to live the life of a hero. Because we get it twisted. We are not born heroes. Actually, we're born pretty self-absorbed, if you ask me. Proof. Go up to a 3-year-old. Do you know a 3-year-old? Okay? Maybe it's your baby cousin. I don't know. Go up to a 3-year-old who has a toy in their grip. Take that toy. See what happens. They will turn into the seagull from Finding Nemo. Mine, 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 mine. You know what the definition of a hero is? My sacrifice for your benefit. No, we love going to watch superhero movies because they go through something extremely sacrificial to make things better for other people. Now, here's what we think. We've been told this. I want all of you to call me a big deal. Go ahead.
Big deal.
What'd you say?
Big deal. Big deal.
You think I'm a, what do you think?
You're a big deal.
Do you think, what do you think? We think that by us standing in the middle, everyone, oh, all eyes on me, bro. All eyes on me. Everybody thinks I'm a big deal. The way you feel like a hero is actually doing this. You're a big deal. You're a big deal. I appreciate you. You're a big deal. You're a big deal. And you're a big deal. We buy into the lie that the world's supposed to revolve around us, that the party don't start till we walk in. What if we could fight against that and actually live a life that has some meaning to it?
Mike's one of those kind of guys that when you first meet him, you go, this guy can relate to anybody. If you have a group that you want to motivate, this is the guy.
And if your life has not been hard, just get ready. It will get hard. No question. Your boat will rock. Some people, they hate their life. Some people tolerate. This is most people. Very few people on planet Earth will ever get here. I love my life. I would not trade mine for anybody. If you always do what you've always done, then you'll always be what you've always been. Tell me if you ever met a strong person that did not have to go through some pain to get strong. And I would say you've never met a strong person. Because the strongest people you will ever meet in your life have gone through the most pain. I was the guy who never tried anything. I was the guy who was scared of my own shadow.
Hi, my name is Kate Santella. I'm a senior at Nathan Hale High School, and I found the presentation by Mike Hall to be amazing. It was wonderful to see the energy of the students in the gymnasium when he was talking. I can tell that he definitely related to everyone.
So don't tell me, my life is so hard, I can't do it, I'm just gonna give up. No, you're not. I could talk to you about pain. And you know what I did? I started feeding off of it. I started saying, I'm gonna take my pain and then I'm going to use that to actually help someone else through their pain. At least one choice that you make today will be different than the choice you made yesterday. Because yesterday, you were in that group chat. I know. There were like 30 people in that group chat, and then your name came up. And they said, I can't even believe he came to that party. He's such a dork. And you're like, Caps lock! And you just open up on that dude who just called you out. That's exhausting. So tonight, you know what happens? You make a different choice. You put your finger down and you say, I'm sorry you feel that way. Hope you have a good night. And you put your phone down and you go to beddy bye. And you sleep good because you got a clear conscience. But Mike, that's hard to do. I didn't say this stuff was easy. It's not easy. Is it worth it? You better believe it. Put yourself out there. Well, I don't want to be that awkward person who's like, hey, I don't have a lot of friends. Guess what? Nobody in this room raised their hand and said, I have too many friends. My life is just too awesome. I'm so busy. I just have too many things. I'm invited to 9 parties on Saturday night. I just don't even know which one to pack. Really? Said no one. You don't have to be famous or rich or popular or brilliant to make a difference and to be a hero.